Hey guys, today I want to talk about the Nerf Elite 2.0 Phoenix. So this is a semi-automatic. There's a little button right here that you push, and then the chamber or the clip goes in. And then you can see this other button here. You pull that, you'll start to hear it rev up, and then you can shoot it out like that. It comes with a scope, which you can take off of here. You can put it back here if you want. I don't think it, yeah, there's nothing on that side, so you can do the scope on either side there. Really fun. I believe it holds up to 6. Super easy to get off if I have 2 hands. 1 second. Yep. So it holds easy chamber just like that, and you just put the darts in and push it down. I think it holds 5 or 6, so really fun. Really enjoy it, and thanks.